Don't download Apple Fitness Alternative app before watching this. Before you download an Apple Fitness Alternative, here's the surprising truth: not all apps are created equal. They promise guided workouts, video classes, and performance tracking, but without careful selection, you could waste time and money. Step 1. Clarify your fitness goals. Are you after strength, cardio, yoga, or overall wellness? Most people get this wrong by picking the flashiest app instead of one aligned with their needs. Step 2. Check class variety and quality. High-quality videos and structured programs make consistency easier. The surprising truth is, poor production or repetitive content leads to burnout and disinterest. Step 3. Integrate tracking features. Many apps sync with wearables to monitor heart rate, calories, or progress. Ignoring these features limits insights on performance. Step 4. Schedule workouts. Treat sessions like appointments to build routine. Users who don't schedule often skip classes and fail to progress. Step 5. Monitor trends and adapt. Track improvements in strength, endurance, or flexibility. Users who only complete sessions without reflection may plateau. The upside? Choosing the right Apple Fitness Alternative can provide guided workouts, measurable progress, and motivation. Many users achieve better consistency than with generic, unstructured content. So should you download it? Yes, but research content quality, class variety, tracking options, and alignment with your goals. Random downloads without a plan rarely lead to real results. Subscribe to discover the best strategies for maximizing digital fitness platforms.